What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And like today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is CE-33676-5. The item is corrupted or cannot detect it by the system. So sometimes you try to download the item, you're having a problem. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we go to the screen. So here we are at the screen, and then settings are, you must check your application is up to date or not. And if you're trying to download from the PS Store, you must check the region also. Here is, sometimes you need add-ons, it's not working or not downloading. You must go to the storage, you must check the storage also. Sometimes you don't have enough storage and system software is not up to date, you're using an old version. What to do, you just turn off your PlayStation 4, go to the safe mode, there's a rebuild database and a clear cache. You must rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, corrupted file will be deleted and your save file also will be clean from the corrupted file, and simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.